Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Squarespace for building landing pages for apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.squarespace.com and press enter. Once the Squarespace homepage loads, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. You will be directed to a page showcasing various templates. Browse through the templates and select one that suits your app's landing page. After choosing a template, click on the Start with this design button. You'll be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address and set a secure password. Alternatively, you can sign up using Google or Apple for quicker access. Once your account is created, you'll receive a confirmation email. Go to your email inbox and find the confirmation email from Squarespace. Click the confirmation link to verify your account. Now, return to the Squarespace website. Log in with the email and password you just created. You will be taken to the Squarespace dashboard. From here, click on Create Site to start building your landing page. You can further customize your chosen template by adding your app's details. Click on Pages to add a new landing page. Select Plus and choose Landing Page from the options. Give your landing page a title that reflects your app. Now, customize the content area with engaging text and images. To add your app logo, click on the image block and upload the file. Once your content is in place, navigate to the Design tab. Here, you can adjust settings like fonts and color schemes for better branding. Set up your site navigation for easy access to different sections. Preview your landing page using the Preview button in the top right corner. After reviewing, hit Save to keep your changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.